welcome once again to this platform, Mathematics Made Simple for Children by Akinlabi Olusanmi. We quickly want to talk about one simple topic that you must have been hearing about, and I've decided to share it into two. We have value and we have place value. So we are actually looking at value today. We are going to be looking at different level of numbers, and we look for the value of each of them, so that anytime you hear a number or any number is being written for you and you are being asked to look for the value of a particular digit out of that number, so that you will be able to know what the value of that number is. As the word sound, when we say value, it means how important something is. So when we say value, we have a lot of values. For example, when you say 2 and you say 20, 2 and 20, they are different. So the value of 2, you cannot compare it with the value of 20. Meanwhile, by the time we write it, we see the digit 2 here, and we see in the 20, you will still see the digit of 2 in there. But the value, what makes it different is the value of each digit. So when I write 2, for example, 20, 200, 2000, you can see that the values are different. 2 is standing alone. When I say 20, it means this is 2 and then it's having 0. So the position of that 2 is different from the position of the first number, that is just 2. Now another one is 200. You can now see that this one now is having order. I would like you children to understand very, very well. Now, imagine that I'm having 2 here. This 2 is not having any child. 20, the 2 here is having a child. So it means this 20, the value is bigger, is more weightier than the value of 2 that is here. Now, 200. It's like 2 is giving birth to 2 children. So the 2 of this one is already having 2 children. So when I have 2000, how many children is that one having? 3. So it means the way they go like that, that is how the value is becoming bigger and bigger. When we have 5, the same thing. 5, 50, 500, 5000. I can continue to have 50,000, 500,000, 5 million. The more it goes like that, the more and the bigger the value. We can do the same thing with 6, 60, 600, and then 6,000. When we have 26, for example, when we have 26, 2 and 6, that's 2. The value of 2 there is 20. The value of 6 is 6. When we have 98, for example, 98, this is 98. The value of 9 will be 90. The value of 8 is just 8, because that 8 is not having any child, but 9 is having a number after it. It means that 9 has given birth to something. Another number is 849. 849. When you have 849, the value of 8 is 800. The value of 4 is 40. The value of 9 is 9. Another number can be 269. When I write 269 and I ask you to tell me the value of 6, you just look at the position of that 6. Is it having any other number after it? So it's having 0, because the number is 269. So the value of that 6 there is 60. Another number is 428. 428. The value of 4 in that question is 400. The value of 2 is 20. The value of 8 is 8. Let's say we have 4,296. 4,296. So I can just look at the number like that and pick one digit and say, what is the value of 2? What is the value of 2? The value of 2 is 200. Meanwhile, the value of 6 will just be 6 because it's the last digit there. Another number that is more complex than that is 16,275. 16,275. When you have a number like that, and I just look at it and say, what is the value of 1? The value of 1 in that question is the value of that 1 is 10,000. The value of 6 is 6,000. The value of 6 is 6,000. Another number before I round up is 28,426. 28,426. The value of 2, the first 2, 28,000. That's 28,000. The value of that 2 is 20,000. If we have a number like this, 421,427. 421,427. Now, look at the value of each digit here. Look at the value. 421,427. These are the value. So, when you are being given any number, they can bring out one digit there and say, what is the value of this? So, that is how to get the value of any digit in a big number. Thank you very much. If you have any question or any number that seems complex to you, you can put it on the comment section so that we can attend to it, and you can ask any question. Put your question on the comment section, and encourage us by subscribing to this YouTube channel, and you can invite your friends that love what we do on this platform or that have interest in it. Many people need what we do here and we may not know them, so you can help us to also share it and refer them to this platform so that they can benefit. Or you can tell them just to search for Mathematics Made Simple for Children with Akinlabi Olusanmi. This is for children and it will really help. Thank you and God bless you.